just happened?
Oh, it just turned. That's okay. Because you can flip it to see what's going on. Just press it one more time and see. All right, so it wants you to find...
so it wants a medium-ish piece.
Yep.
And now I need to...
You don't stick them in until it tells you. Okay, awesome.
Okay.
All right, cool.
So there's going to be one left in the middle.
And it wants you to go all the way through. Watch out. Do not hurt your fingers as it goes through all the way. Okay. You need big fat fingers to help you. The other way you could do it. The other way you could do it is if you. Oh no, well, you could just push it on there, but yeah, that might damage the box. So whatever. That's one way to do it. Here. I'll do it for you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, the corner is always better than the side.
Okay. Okay, now we need to get a humongous giant piece, and it's 7 curvy. 7? No. Is it 7?
It shows you what the piece looks like over there as well. You see?
Yeah.
See that one?
Yeah, I got it correct.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
So make sure you aim it right.
Okay, let's see how they put it. Okay, so...
I'm really loving this app. It really helps. So you can't really get it wrong. Sometimes with Legos and other things, without having an app like this, you can get confused.
Feels like there's 3